Mega love shout out everyone. So this is me, Mom Shawie vlog, and today I'm showing to you a lovely glimpse of Liloy, sunlit streets, coastal charm, and the green of its agricultural landscapes. The town's name Liloy is rooted in a natural phenomenon. Local lore recounts early settlers witnessing a swirling whirlpool of lilo, meaning a whirling motion of water near the coastal. Over time, the name evolved into Liloy, likely a blended of Lilo with the added Y by later settlers. Originally part of Sindangan, Liloy gained its municipal status in August 22, 1951 through Executive Order Number 469 signed by President Elpidio Quirino. It was officially inaugurated on December 16, 1951. Today, Liloy spans approximately 12,843 hectares, centered around 37 barangays with about 12 along the coast and 25 inland. Liloy is widely recognized as the peanut capital of Zamboanga del Norte, owing its extensive peanut, corn, rice, coconut, and root crop cultivation. While a formal connection to the phrase Lil Siargao isn't well documented in official sources. Apparently popularized by tourism, marketing, or content creators. Some locals feel such labels like Lil Siargao are overhyped, comparing Liloy to more commercialized destinations and rising concerns about identity and sustainability. So, flashing to you, Liloy, the Lil Siargao of Mindanao.
Can you feel? Move your body.